How to download Lloyds Bank statement on app. Yeah, in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to download the specific date where you would like to be downloaded on your phone onto the bank statement of Lloyds Bank. First is, of course, open up the application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So this is going to be your home screen. At the top right, you should be able to see a profile icon. You simply tap on that and you will be redirected to all the settings that you can interact with Lloyds Bank application. But what you need to do is just to simply scroll all the way down and then under all support categories, choose on statements. Now from statements, choose on download or print statements online and you will be asked to whatever year or specific date you would like to be downloaded. So say for example, these years right here. Now it's going to be depending on the range of the year or even the month that you're trying to request if it is available or not. If it is available, then that specific month will reflect on your screen. You just need to tap this download icon right there and you should be able to download it. And that's it. That is how you download Lloyds Bank Statement on app.